We're back with part 3 of the Yes Burp Soda Chug. As you guys can tell right here, we have 12 cans of gold Coca-Cola. As if I wish they were gold. This is 12 cans of Diet Coke. I'm going to be seeing how fast I can chug 12 cans of Diet Coke as fast as possible without burping or with burping. You guys really seem to enjoy the last 2 parts that I've posted. I thought I'd come back with a part 3. There's no way I'm going to be able to do this without burping. So today, I'm going to chug this as fast as possible with burping. Yeah, this is going to be a crazy one. Make sure you guys go down below, hit that like button. Let's go. Let's see how fast we can chug 12 cans of Diet Coke. You guys know what I mean. 12 can Diet Coke chug in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh. 3 cans at a time. You guys know. Got some Diet Coke right there. Three cans down. Six cans. Three cans left. Oh yeah.
One eternity later.
As you guys can tell, this went horribly wrong. I did not chug all 12 cans of Diet Coke. It wasn't a big L because I chugged 11 cans and a half. It's technically a fail because there's still Diet Coke left in this can, which I don't know why I didn't finish. That was a challenge, the 12 can Yes Burp Soda Chug. I'm pretty sure I'm probably gonna come back to this. You win some, you lose some. that's what life is. Can't always win. Just imagine this, ice cold, into a bowl. I think I'm on to something. Comment down below what other videos you guys want to see. Make sure you guys turn on post notifications so you guys never miss a video. Hit that subscribe button if you are not yet already subscribed. Please hit that subscribe button because I know you right there aren't subscribed. It's like 50% of you not subscribed, so hit that subscribe button. That is gonna wrap it up for this video. I'm gonna end off the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video if you enjoyed. Also share. Subscribe if you need to stay lit. Always stay lit. We'll see you guys on the next one. We're out.